Hi, my name is Shelly, and today I'm talking about the new second release of the Allie Glines makeup bags. They're like a storage packing type cube situation, and this video is by request. I had posted a video about 5 months or so ago after I had received my Allie Glines bags. I'll link it here, and it surprisingly has done, the video itself has actually done very well. Today I'm filming this on Friday. I don't know if it'll go up today, it might go up on Saturday, but Thursday they had the pre-order sneak peek open. She officially announced it today, Friday. And I'm gonna show you guys what's in my Allie Glines storage bags, makeup bags, packing cubes, whatever you wanna call them. Now, first rule of business, these will likely sell out again. So if you have not already gone on the pre-order thing, you will not be disappointed in the quality if you are looking for any kind of organization solution in your life. I think, if I recall, when she originally launched these back 5-6 months ago, she said that her vision of creating this was because she couldn't find exactly what she wanted to travel with. And so she wanted to have something that she could nest and keep things separate and keep things secure, still have a clear window that she could see what's in it without having to open up each one. And I think these are brilliant. I can also tell you that they're finished with this rose gold zipper. It's kind of like almost like a dove gray rectangle. And then again, they have the clear windows on the top where you can actually see the contents of them. Now, she actually has posted, and I'll try to include little clips, she has actually posted of how she has used them herself. So she has the one that's kind of a mid-shaped one that she's used for like full-size hair products. Maybe some gel, some hairspray, dry shampoo, that kind of thing. She has other ones where she's got like skincare, some with cosmetics. She's actually, I've seen her nest them all into one of these. It just went right into a suitcase. So the question I was asked is, can you do a what's in my Allie Glines bags? They're not really a bag. They're not really a box because they're, well, I mean, they're kind of a box. They're a solution. My Allie Glines solution. So what do I have in them? First of all, let me back up here. I gotta tell you, I'm a collector of things. Books, shoes, apparently nail polish. And before I had nail polish just kind of like on a shelf. So in my laundry room, I've got a little bit of an extra storage space in there. And I had on the shelves just shoe boxes full of fingernail polish. And it was hard to find them. And when you pulled one out, if there was stuff stacked on top of the shoebox, it just became problematic. So when I got these bags, of course, the first thing I thought is, can I fit all my fingernail polishes into the big one? I exceeded the size of the big one, but then Kathleen Lights started doing her fingernail polishes again, and not under the Kale Lights, but under Lights Lacquer. Absolutely love them, super cute. Well, so I started with a smaller cube with the Lights Lacquer, and now I've upgraded to the medium-sized cube with the Lights Lacquer because now she has that many collections out. And oh gosh, how am I gonna do this? Okay, so you guys, that's a lot of fingernail polish. And I still have room for between 4, maybe 8 more. So she's gonna have, I'm sure she'll have a fall, winter type collection. There'll be room in this here still, hopefully with that, because I think she's been doing about six per. This is gonna be easier to hold up if I zip it up. Okay, that looks like a lot of fingernail polish. How many fingernail polish is in there, Shell? Counted them up in the medium size one. I have 31 Lights Lacquer polishes in this medium size one. 31 bottles, and I have room, like I said, and they look like this. They're like a normal regular size, I think, of fingernail polish bottle. And I have room for at least 4, maybe potentially 8, and still not have it distort in here. Okay, so that's in the medium size one. What are in your smaller sized ones? Shell, just keep talking to myself like in third person. Okay, so in the smaller one, I have, this one's a little bit kind of not the same, it's not all the same brand. I've got 17 bottles of gel polish in here, as well as, including one that's still in a box. And I have like a gel polish cleaner. And then I've got, you know, I don't know, do you guys ever use these? If you guys do gel polish, save one of these shoe mitts from like a hotel because this works to buff the top of the gel polish really well. Just a little tip from somebody who's not a nail polish professional. Not that you would know that because I clearly have a lot of fingernail polish. Okay, and then this other small one is another mishmash. There are 20 other nail polishes in here. And these are all of various sizes. Some of them are quite a bit bigger. I mean, like these Instant Dry from Sally Hansen. There's a little bit taller of a bottle. You can see how long it's been since I've used these because they're separated. Note to self, go back in and make sure that you don't need to toss any of them. All right, so 20 more in here. Now, if you have all that fingernail polish in the 3 boxes, what on earth do you have in here? I'm like ashamed of this because if you saw my tutorial, I'll insert a video here. I have recently got into dip nails. I'm not on that today. This is actually a kale polish, but it's been on for like 5 days. That just reminds me, I have no excuse other than I just don't have enough time. I've got all the polish in the world and I don't have time to like even take off. Sorry, swatches from a previous video here. I don't have time to take off my old polish and put on new, which is why I like the dip nails because I really do feel like they last a lot longer. Okay, so this ginormous one. Hey, yeah, look at that, more nail polish. This is ridiculous. What do I have in this ginormous one? I have 54 bottles of OPI polish, 7 bottles of Orly polish. I have 14 bottles of Essie polish, and I have 5 other random miscellaneous ones. This is like a cuticle remover from Butter. I've got some other, you know, just kind of cheap, fast, easy Sally Hansen no chip nail polish color covers. I also have my light for my gel polishes, and then in the lid there's a great little pouch that allows you to store the things. So I've got fingernail polish removers, I've got scissors, I've got another like shoe mitt, I've got some fingernail files. I think if I were going to use this for cosmetics, I could fit a boatload of palettes in here. I could fit brushes in the top half, nest these other boxes in here. So this big one, how many do I have in here? Let me do the math really fast. I have 80 polishes in this big one, in case you want to know what fits in there. Now, a question you're going to ask other than, are you a professional nail artist? Which the answer is no, I just like polish. I'm kind of embarrassed about that. Now that they're open for pre-order, are you going to order any more and what would you use them for? The answer unequivocally is absolutely. I have already made my pre-order. I envision, so now these, okay, I've got that one, that's the big one. I love that handle too, isn't the handle cool? Okay, I've got the big one, the medium-sized one, the smaller ones, 2 smaller ones, that's the entire set. They look like this all stacked together, okay? They stack nicely. They're heavy AF with all the polishes in them. In the laundry room I have a shelf, or bookshelf type thing. And the bookshelf right now is a absolute disaster of stuff that I've put in there. I've got baskets of hair products, I've got baskets of body lotions, I've got bags of samples or travel sizes or whatever for travel stuff because I used to travel a lot for work. So that's going to take some organization. I am so excited to get more of these cubes because what I'm going to do is I'm going to organize all my hair stuff in some and body lotions and just go down the list, and then they will go against on that bookshelf, and the crazy clutter, I'll do before and afters. The crazy clutter will be minimized. And then these nail polish ones can get off of the counter and actually onto a shelf because there'll be a lot more room. That's my goal. That's my vision. And I'm excited because I think it's all going to work out. So I hope this answers your question. What's in my Allie Glines bags? Yeah, a lot. 80, no, that's only one of them. So what's in my Allie Glines boxes, storage cubes, bags, makeup solution, whatever you want to call them? I have 148 bottles of nail polish and accoutrement, which is ridiculous. And I should probably do something about it. I'm not a minimalist. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm not a minimalist. I should be. I should, you know, I think of things like things that are very streamlined, capsule wardrobes, very simple, like classic and I just have not subscribed to that. I don't know how I would ever fit into a tiny house. I don't think I would. Not without like a container for storage. Please hurry and go pre-order your Allie Glines bags. I cannot tell you how pleased I am with these and cannot wait for more. And if you guys do not follow Allie Glines, now it's going to be allieglines.com is the website. I think it used to be Shop Allie Glines. Shop Allie Glines, follow her over on Instagram, or just Allie Glines, you'll follow her regular channel. She is one of the sweetest YouTubers I think I've ever come across. Her makeup is, when she does makeup, even the most simplest, like everyday look, it's just stunning. She just really does makeup very, very, very well. But I'm gonna tell you what I like about her. Her voice is so modulated and consistent and soothing, and I could just listen to her. I don't care what she's talking about. If she's on, I'm gonna have her running even if it's in the background because I just want to listen to her. It's amazing. She seems like such a sweetheart. I think she's based in Utah, and I just love her to pieces. She doesn't know who I am. This is not a collaboration of any kind. I'm not sponsored. I'm not affiliated. I'm not endorsed. I'm not even a professional makeup artist. I'm just lady up here sharing you guys my Allie Glines bags because I'm super excited about them. And with that, I'm going to bid you guys adieu. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye for now. I know my husband's going to laugh when he hears me say I got the big one.